Welcome to Explore Vape, your go-to channel for all things vaping. If you're new to vaping, you might feel a little overwhelmed. Don't worry, we've got you covered with our top 10 vaping tips for beginners. Tip number 1, choose the right device. With so many options on the market, choosing a device that fits your needs and preferences is important. Whether you're looking for a compact device for on-the-go use or a more powerful device for cloud chasing, do your research and choose wisely. Tip number 2, select the right nicotine strength. If you're a beginner, start with a lower nicotine strength and gradually increase it as needed. This will help you avoid any unpleasant side effects and allow you to find the perfect balance for your needs. Tip number 3, properly fill your tank. To avoid leaks and ensure the best flavor, make sure to fill your tank properly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and take your time to avoid overfilling or underfilling. Tip number 4, choose the right e-liquid flavor. With so many flavors available, choosing one you enjoy is important. Experiment with different flavors until you find your perfect match. Tip number 5, clean your device regularly. Regular cleaning will help maintain the quality of your device and ensure the best flavor. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and maintenance. Tip number 6, understand the etiquette. When vaping in public, be considerate of others. Avoid blowing clouds of vapor in people's faces and respect any designated smoking areas. Tip number 7, adjust your device settings. Experiment with different wattage and temperature settings to find the perfect balance for your needs. Don't be afraid to ask for help from more experienced vapers. Tip number 8, charge your device properly. Use the charger provided by the manufacturer and avoid overcharging or undercharging your device. Regularly check the battery life to ensure it's fully charged when you need it. Tip number 9, take breaks. Vaping can be enjoyable, but it's important to take breaks and not overdo it. Avoid chain vaping and take breaks as needed to avoid any negative side effects. Tip number 10, enjoy the experience. Vaping can be a fun and enjoyable hobby. Take the time to explore different flavors and devices, and enjoy the experience. Thank you for watching our top 10 vaping tips for beginners.